We are here at ComplexCon. This is the third year that they're doing this, but this is my first year being here. I'm so excited. Ooh! Why? We're in the back entrance. This is a second line. We thought it was gonna be shorter, but it's the same amount. People had legit been like sleeping out here. Some dude told us that they were sleeping out here since Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Like that's taking it really serious. Like we take it serious, but like, you know, some people take it to the extreme. So we walked down a block, we turned right, and now we're walking down another block. Is this the end of the line?
Yeah.
Oh, finally, finally, okay. It is 10:52, so we'll probably be in there by like 1, 2 o'clock maybe, hopefully. It's like 11:30 now. I wasn't expecting to get through all of that within like 30 minutes. I honestly thought it was gonna take like hours and hours and hours, but we're almost there. I'm flipping my lid. Where do we go? We are inside, finally. Okay, so this is the schedule for Saturday, which is today. They have Vince Staples at 5:30. I love Vince Staples. We're gonna go look at the clothes, the sneakers, because that's what I'm here for. That thing over there, what is that? I wanna go see that. Oh, those are the Nike SBs. It's for the Nike SB diamond release?
Yeah, but we're shut down today. There was like fighting, people rushed the booth, so.
The hype was too real. They shut it down because people were fighting and bum rushing the booth. What? Even from here, I can tell those are fakes. I like this. Hold on, I need a picture. My phone is not working. I don't know what it is. I tried turning it on and off. Maybe it's just too many people. Adidas, they're doing this sneaker drop where they're like releasing sneakers like every hour. You go to like each location and then it'll unlock that sneaker for you. What is going on? I'm small, but I'm determined. Are you gonna squeeze with me? I don't know what they're raising their hand for, but I'm gonna raise my hand. What are they raising their hand for? I'm like way too short. I love Lucky Charms. It's one of my favorite cereals, so I wanted to see what this Lucky Charms thing is. Like, are they collabing with somebody? What is it about? Oh my God, it's so cute. They're putting it on clothes.
We got hoodies, right? Champion hoodies. We got denim jackets. We got backpacks.
So basically, they like put any type of like these graphics and stuff on any like type of plain clothing for you. If you bring something, you can get that done too. That's really cute though. Thank you. Do you know who that is? Yeah. You know Lucas, the model, Lucas? That's his best friend. They have, what are they called? Piece of boys, the party boy. He hangs out with Kendall Jenner, Kim Kardashian, all of them. Should I wait? Should I wait? I don't know. To meet Vince Staples. Oh my God, there's no line. Oh, because he's not there.
Yeah, he's fine. He left like.
Today is a sad day. I know I'm walking kind of fast, but
you can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to wait so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease and you don't own it.
I've been walking around the convention for about 4 hours. I'm tired and I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. We are outside. They have like a bunch of different food vendors and stuff, but I'm enjoying my tacos right now. It's pretty chill. Everyone's just relaxing, eating, taking a break. I really like it. I love the hype. That sounds corny, but I love the hype. Like, I love the fact that everyone here is into it. It's rare that people take this stuff this serious. My advice, if you're gonna come early. If I would have known beforehand, I probably would have gotten here at least by like 8 o'clock. You don't necessarily have to come like days before, weeks before, because like, you know, they open up at 11. Like, yeah, okay, you have to wait a few hours, but then you're gonna be the first people in comparison to getting here late, and then you have to wait a few hours in the line. My biggest struggle was getting the stuff that I wanted. They had this crazy Guess and Places and Faces collab. The line was just wrapped around the entire booth, and I was not about to wait for that. That's what I regret. I should have gotten here earlier. After we're done eating, I think we're just gonna go straight in and we're gonna go see Vince Staples. He goes on at 5:30. I really wanted to see him perform. Like, I love his music.
Everybody have a good time tonight, right? Yeah. All day, I'm round your way. Yes, K, come out, let's play. Draco, that's a young nigga, pull a tray 5-7.
So it took us about 30 minutes to get inside, which is really short compared to yesterday. I have this challenge that I'm doing for Kicks and Fits, so I need to go inside and finish off my outfit. I want to go to the Guest booth. I've been wanting to go there since yesterday, so today I'm going to fully commit to getting in the line for it.
2 hours later.
So basically, I just lost my mind. Apparently, I dropped my phone on the floor. I just looked for it for the past 20 minutes, but someone found it for me and brought it to the service center, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I want a picture in front of this. How do I even like... I'm about to go check out Puma. Oh, is it a Chinatown parking flag? That's so cute. This stuff is really old, but it looks cool. Because I guess it goes with like the sneakers, the overall concept, because it's like that really chunky 90s theme. It makes sense. I like it. So ComplexCon is over for me. I just got out. Overall, it was a really good experience. I was in there with a goal. I was able to find a full outfit for $200. I did notice I had to put down some stuff because it cost too much. If I would have had more money, I would have definitely bought more. You want to get those like key pieces, those really big drops and stuff, you're definitely gonna have to bring a lot of money. I would definitely go to ComplexCon again. I love the experience, seeing all the fashion and stuff. I really enjoyed it. Thank you guys for coming along to ComplexCon with me. If you are coming to ComplexCon, one, bring a chair or like a portable chair, something like that, so you can sit in the long lines. Definitely turn your Find My iPhone on and I don't know, enjoy yourself.